Hi guys, this is Soumya and today we will be doing your love reading. What is your person currently feeling for you? And over here are two piles as usual, pile 1 and pile 2. You need to select any one of these piles and select with your intuition whatever your inner soul says or your mind says or whichever deck you feel attracted to. So once again I repeat, you can pause my video if you want to. So here is pile 1, here is pile 2. Okay, those who have chosen pile 1, let's see for you what is coming there for you in love. What is your person currently feeling for you? I will keep this card aside. First, I'll take my oracle deck and let's see what my spirit guides needs to say. What your person is currently feeling for you. What is pile 1 person currently feeling for them? What is pile 1 person currently feeling for them? What is pile 1 person currently feeling for them? Spirits, please guide me. What is pile 1 person currently feeling for them? What is pile 1 person currently feeling for them? This person looks very indecisive and they are taking very slow move. Okay. See here what is here. So besorexia, an overwhelming desire to kiss. So this person wants to kiss you very badly and you might have kissed with this person or any sort of kiss, but this person is dreaming to kiss you a lot right now and their desire is to kiss you. So what is pile 1 person is currently feeling for pile 1? What is pile 1 person is currently feeling for pile 1? Spirit angel, please guide me relevantly. I don't want so many cards, spirits. What is pile 1 person is currently feeling for them? Silent treatment. So I feel your person is feeling that you are giving them silent treatment. You were in a toxic relationship with this person for some of you, and some of you are like you are giving now them a silent treatment. And I am also hearing that this person could be in a toxic relationship with someone, and they are releasing their exes by giving you silent treatment, and of course you are giving them silent treatment, and this silent treatment making them like coming up towards you. They want to kiss you more, they are dreaming to desire to kiss you more. So let's see what our tarot need to say about it. So this person can also, like, I'm sensing without my cards that this person can also be like toxic, as in they can create boundaries from you. They might have rejected you in the past, but now they are silently dreaming about you and kissing you in their dreams. What is pile 1 person is currently feeling for pile 1? What is pile 1 person is currently feeling for pile 1? So there is a Queen of Cups. This person could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Too much indecisive person. This person is literally wants to hurry, hug you and kiss you literally. They are in besorexia. What is pile 1 person is currently thinking about pile 1? So here is High Priestess. I am sensing this person is dreaming about you right now and they are in a mode of deep thinking. They are definitely in a silent treatment, as I said before. And in between, I'm sensing this person can be indecisive and they want to say you something now, like whatever they were hiding from you. This person will come out with some truth towards you, what I'm getting in next move from their side. And somewhere I'm also sensing like this person would be in a high vibration and they are getting some intuition to come towards you, say you something, reveal you the truth. If they didn't propose you in the past, if they rejected you, now they might say sorry to you and they will open up their true feelings towards you. If this person being toxic towards you, creating many boundaries, this person will be opening up and will come with the celebration. As I said before, like, yeah, this person was being toxic towards you and this person was hiding their feelings, running from you. Now this person I see coming back towards you with a union and reunion, and this person can also take help from their friends to come towards you or your friends. Yeah, and this thing will be done on very unexpected way, and this person will be communicating very unpredictable way. In fact, this person is very unpredictable, what I'm sensing. and they are in a deep thinking, they are in a silent treatment, they might be doing yoga, meditation a lot these days to come towards you, to make balance towards you. And what is the next move? Spirit angel, please guide me. What is the next move of pile 1 person for them? Oh wow, so I got your King of Cups. So you both are actually equally thinking. There is like you both are mirroring each other, but don't know what to say, what not to say. And you are deeply thinking about each other. Your both intuition is saying you to just don't be insecure, because this person will be coming back towards you. And for some, I'm sensing if you are single over here, you will be having these things coming your way, and this person would be like very insecure from inside, and you will be starting as a friend from starting. So you both guys are like divine counterpart, what I'm sensing over here. And somewhere there is Queen of Swords coming in between. So this, you are in a position of decision, should I accept this person or not? And this person is like also making some decision from inside. As I said, this person is deeply thinking about you, they want to kiss you, and they want every time to be with you and kiss you so badly, what to say. And this person is like silently making some decision, and they will come towards you. And plus they are waiting for your call or message, or they also know that you also wait for them. So let's see what is more for this relationship. Spirit, please guide me. What is coming there for pile 1? And for some, I am getting vibes that you could be of same zodiacs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So what is Sun, Moon, Rising? Either your moon is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or either their sun is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So what is coming there for pile 1? What is their person next feeling for, next move for them? Spirits, please guide me relevantly. So you need to trust. Actually, there is a trust factor loss in this connection somehow. Neither they are able to trust nor you are able to trust, but I feel this person will come towards you and they will make the trust gain once again, and they will say you sorry. And yes, this person is safe for you to love. This person is really much safe for you to love. So you can go ahead, because this person wants children from you, and yeah, they are your past life connection, past life soulmate. As I said before, this person is your divine counterpart for some, and for some, this is your soulmate connection. What I am hearing, for others, this could be your twin flame or karmic. So they are the one for you, and right now whatever is happening, it will be happening according to divine timing. So don't force yourself. If you're forcing yourself, pile 1, because I'm hearing like you're not working from your intuition, you also need to work with your intuition. For some, you can be a psychic over here, tarot card readers, healer, witches, who have chosen pile 1, and you know what's gonna happen next with you. So you seems to be like preparing yourself a lot to deal with this person, and you don't know like what to do currently. But I'm seeing next move, there will be a union, there could be a marriage also. For some, you can meet them in your friends gathering or a family gathering, and for some, they can come towards you through their friends. And there will be union and reunion coming for pile 1. There is a definitely pile 1 reunion coming, and union too. So this was my pile 1 reading. Hope it resonated with you. Do let me know in comment box. Thank you. So those who have chosen here pile 2, let's see what your person currently feeling for you. So what is pile 2 person currently feeling for pile 2? What is pile 2 person? Okay, this person is also very much indecisive, and they won't like rush towards you. So spirits, please guide me. What is pile 2 person currently feeling for pile 2? What is pile 2 person is currently feeling for pile 2? What is pile 2 person is currently feeling for pile 2? Okay, I got your 4 messages together. I'll be taking all 4. So, oh wow. So right now I'm sensing like you both guys are in circle. Even you are in circle, you are in a big confusion. This person is also in a big confusion. They want to come towards you. Right now this person is like going round by their mind and living in a full paradise. Right now this person dreams about you. They want to come towards you, but they are not accepting to come towards you. So they are definitely living in a full paradise. They are acting full towards you. And pile 2, congratulations, your relationship involves marriage over here. I see a wedding bells coming your way, and I'm also hearing you could meet this person in some wedding. There is your relationship involves wedding over here, stability over here, and what if you are thinking of your specific person also? Yeah, you can have a marriage with them. But right now everything is on full on paradise circle. So this person is totally juggling on themselves. So what is pile 2 person currently feeling for pile 2? What is pile 2 person currently feeling for pile 2? What is pile 2 person currently feeling for pile 2? What is pile 2 person currently feeling for pile 2? I won't take so many cards, spirits. I feel for most of you, you could deal with the past person over here, and they are not able to take decision towards you, whatever it is, and they have left you in the dead end totally. And this person is also feeling so much tired, like they thinking that you have given up either to them or they are giving up towards you. For some it could be from past, for others this is someone new who is in a full paradise right now, and he or she is in totally in a confusion zone, not able to make decision. Yeah, this person could be from past, definitely a past energy. So I'm getting that this person is coming back towards you to give you wedding proposal. They are like in the making of something decision, that they have got some tower moment right now with their current person, and they are realize what they have lost. I'm hearing for some. What is there for pile 2? What is the next move of pile 2 person towards pile 2? Judgment. Yes, yes, yes. So this person is coming with their past traumas out, or like if you are dealing with someone new also, this person is getting out of that disturbance energy. They are having some spiritual awakening right now towards you, and this person will be coming towards you with the judgment energy, and you can see lots of 10-10 when you meet this person, and there will be some judgment between you and them. There will be some decision making, and literally I'm hearing like, yeah, under the wedding bells I got this judgment. So this person really wants stability. If they were stopping you at the past, now they won't, because they are having some spiritual awakening. Yes, and this thing will be happen within next month for some. You will be meeting this person, there will be some decision making, and yes, this person is having a big spiritual awakening right now. So let's see what is more there for you. I'll do. So you are in a no contact situation with this person. So there is a chemistry. This person feels totally magnetic energy towards you. What is coming there for pile 2 in love? What is that person currently feeling for pile 2? Pay attention to red flags. Okay, for some, this person was stopping towards you, but this person still feel attracting towards you, attraction. And this person is like, they are showing you lots of red flags that don't come towards them, but they will be coming towards you now. Okay, I got here many cards. Pile 2, what is happening guys with you? So heavy energies you are carrying guys. Do your inner work. It is very much important for. So yes, this person will be coming towards you and they will be flirting towards you. So universe is saying you need to stop them if they are coming to flirt towards you. But this person also finds you the true love of them, and you are worth waiting for. This person knows that you are literally worth waiting for, and divine timing is working for you, just like pile 1. And I think for most of you, if you have chosen pile 1, you will be definitely seeing this pile 2 too and watching this video right now. So somehow it is like same, you were in a toxic relationship, and now in pile 2 you jump into a like fool's paradise, and it is coming towards like a wedding bells. Your situation involves marriage. So this person is worth waiting for. And for some, I got a channel message like you could deal with a married person who is having like kind of divorce situation or separation situation, and saying here this person is your true love, and they are worth waiting for, and they know that you are worth waiting for, and they are making you wait, that's why. But you will hear a call within the next month for some, and this situation will be involving marriage. Okay, so this was pile 2 reading. Hope it resonated with you. Do let me know in comment box. and don't forget to subscribe and like my video over here. Thank you. Bye bye.